Dear friends, we'd like to welcome you to our course, Russian for Beginners. The first step you are going to take is to familiarize yourself with the Russian alphabet. Once you have mastered the basic rules of reading and writing in Russian, you will then learn the fundamentals of Russian grammar, as well as words and simple phrases, all of which will help you communicate with your Russian friends. We have prepared lots of interesting exercises, as well as additional materials, and if you have any questions, you can always ask us on the course forum.
Доброе утро!
Здравствуйте!
As you progress through the course materials, you will learn how to introduce yourself, discuss your family and friends, and discuss simple topics in Russian.
Мой родной язык – русский. Я говорю по-русски.
Привет, меня зовут Поль. Я из Франции. Это Франция. Это моя родная страна. Я француз.
We look forward to seeing you on our course as you embark on your Russian language journey. More than 3 million people have already begun learning with us. See you soon!